Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a phenomenal, amazing day. So today I have part of the crew with me. Okay, Amani, you want to say hello, Amani? Okay, she want to jump. So we going to TJ Maxx. I just need to get like 2 items. 1 second, family. I'm gonna go in here and hopefully they don't want anything from. Well, if they could want, okay? But we're only here for 2 items. I'll see you guys once we get inside. Okay, so first up, they have these luggage right here. Honey, I'm about to start taking flights. You need to take flights, catch flights, not fillings, okay? That's what the girls say, okay? All right? And then they have these over here. These are really, really cute. Okay, these are $70. Very, very nice. And they come in like 3 different sizes. Okay. Okay, so I told you guys that this must be the Michael Kors section right here. This bag is really, really cute. This is $110. Let's just say $110. Okay, plus taxes. Really, really cute. Then they also have this one. This Disney bag is cute. Look at Tiana, okay? Coming through, okay? Now this bag, honey, I feel like this bag don't belong over here. But that's neither here nor there. This one is really, really cute. I like this bag. Okay, and this bag is $56. This is actually on clearance.
I like the crocodile one.
They also have this bag. Okay, you guys have seen this bag last time. Okay.
I don't think we see this guy.
Honey, that's why when I come and do a video like this, my youngest children is normally in school. Okay. Because they be busy. If you have children, honey, you know exactly what I mean. They be busy. So right here, they have gifts under $20, okay, which are these cute makeup bags, okay. $8, okay. $10. This one is really, really cute. Honey, I don't even see the price. Here's the price on this. So that black one is $14.99. This one is really, really cute. This makeup bag, really cute. And this one is $19.99. Okay, so they have this portable cold plunge tub. Honey, look like a garbage can to me. Okay, this is $49.99. Okay, cold water therapy. Let me know in the comments here if you guys ever tried the cold water therapy challenge. It's funny because today I was planning on ordering some Botana oil. So Botana oil is really, really good for hair growth. Okay, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna make some hair growth oil. But looking at this, it's like, well, okay. They have some castor pro growth shampoo, and this big thing, honey, $8. Okay, not big at all. Okay, and a conditioner. But they also have these over here. These these gift sets. Black castor superior growth hair care, biotin. Okay, let's see how much these are. I know it's heavy enough. Okay, so this is $13. Definitely not bad. Thank you, Tiffy. Okay, so I'm gonna get this Kara's daughter right here, and this is one of the reasons I tell you guys to come to TJ Maxx. especially you for shampoo and stuff like that and conditioners, but you just want to make sure that the stuff hasn't been tampered with. Okay, so this Carol's daughter is $7. Okay, now if you go to a beauty supply store, this is going to run you probably about $12 or $13. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and I'm trying to look for the conditioner, some type of conditioner. Okay, this looks good. Curl Smith and Shower Style Fixer is vegan and is $13. Very, very nice. Okay, so I told you guys last time that we was going to get this. This is a tongue cleaner. Okay, freshens breath and improves taste. So we're going to get this here. And this is really, really inexpensive. It is $5. Really good. Okay, so we're going to get the Black Hairster Superior Growth Hair Care. Okay, and I showed you this guy. This is $13. So we're going to get this. Honey, I just hope, honey, I'm over here praying, okay? Let me know in the comments if you guys ever use this. And even check to see why your hands... These Puma sneakers are so cute. Okay, $40. They are nice.
We come back.
They also have these ice pop molds. I showed you guys these before, okay? And some of them have like 8 in them. Some of them have 6 in them. This is a really, really dope idea, especially for the summertime, to make your own popsicles. To get creative, okay? Especially with the children. But, honey, we ain't getting these today, okay? Okay, so this right here, this picture is really, really cute. Okay, stackable cup design. Okay, it has the cups inside. These are $10.99. Really, really cute.
Wow, look at this.
These disco balls are cute. Okay, these are $17. And they come in 2 designs, look like. They also have these lights right here with the fake grass. This is cute.
It's a non-disco ball.
Let's see how much this is. Oh, this is $13. Very, very cute. Nice. They also have these mushrooms right here, which are really, really cute. These are $10. Okay, like disco mushrooms. Nice. I don't know if I showed you guys these shoes last time when I was in here, but these are really, really cute, okay? They are $24, all right? And then they also have these, if you know, you know, okay? I love shoes like this because they so comfy. I go for the comfort, okay? Really, really nice. I like these. And these are $20. They have this Adidas shirt, which is really, really cute. I like this. The color is very, very nice. And also the design, cute. Money, I'm not getting it. Okay, family, so this outfit right here is really, really cute. Okay, this is a 2-piece set with the shorts. Okay, this is really, really cute. They also have the Princess. This is really, really cute. Princess Kindness Club with the shorts, okay? And this is $9. Not bad at all. This bathing suit is really, really cute, okay? This is $20. Not bad at all. 2-piece set. But this is really, really cute, okay? Oh, child, look at this, okay? Not only is it a 2-piece suit, but, honey, it also comes with the bag, okay? This is really, really cute. And this is, look at the pants, honey. Get into the pants. Okay. Let's see how much this is. Okay, this is $20. Not bad at all. This is really, really gorgeous. I like this. Okay. Honey, we heading to checkout. These shorts are really, really cute. These are $12.99. Very, very nice. I like these. Also with the top. Okay, this top is $12.99. Cute. They also have these pants which comes in different colors, like these army fatigue curve equality. Okay. And these are $24.99. They also come in green as well. I absolutely love these. Very, very cute. But honey, what about these? I like these. These are cute, okay? Especially for the summertime. $20. Nice. It's so funny because I said I'm literally coming in here for like 2 things and came in here for so much more than that. Let's see how much this total is. All right, Duty, hold on. You want to put these up here, baby? I ain't say I'm getting these popcorn. All them sweets. You already had that sample. That's enough.
What sample? I didn't have no sample.
That drink.
That's not sample. You want me to put the popcorn back?
Huh?
You want me to put the popcorn back? No.
Oh, you do? Go to the bed. Is it at the bed? Go this way. This way.
You TJ Maxx card today.
No, thank you.
Only 3 questions were done. MasterCard.
No, it sounds tempting, but no.
No annual fee for the card. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Good, MasterCard. 30.
Okay, family, so I catch you guys on the next one. To my surprise, okay, my children, they was, they was okay, they was okay, because they knew, as I said, listen, if you start, okay, because my sister is coming up here from Ohio, her and my niece, okay, and I said, if y'all start, y'all won't be seeing them going to your father's house, okay, sometimes you gotta say that to them,